Viewers, LNA fighters, they retreated from Al-Watia airbase yesterday. GNA captured this strategically important airbase, and LNA termed this retreat as a tactical retreat. Yesterday it was being said that now LNA will regroup, reorganize, and we might see some pressure by LNA on Tripoli front, and Zintan and Tarhona. Their reaction will also be important to the announcement of this retreat of LNA from Al-Watia. Another very important development, viewers, just a few hours ago, LNA has announced to withdraw from some fronts to the south of Tripoli towards Tarhona. So LNA fighters are now withdrawing from some fronts to the south of Tripoli towards Tarhona. Another very important development, viewers, LNA is again calling it as a tactical retreat, and they are also saying that Eid ul-Fitr festival, it is going to be celebrated by the people of these localities. That is why, in order to facilitate the people of these localities, this retreat has been ordered. It is basically a tactical retreat. This term they used yesterday, this term they are using now, tactical retreat. Viewers, so much is happening on ground since yesterday that sometimes it seems that there might be an understanding between GNA and LNA. I mean, yesterday when LNA forces retreated from Al-Watia Air Base, GNA forces, Turkish drones, did not target them. Either it is a deliberate policy of GNA not to hit retreating forces of LNA and their military equipment, or there is some sort of understanding between them, because according to LNA, more than 1,500 soldiers they withdrew from Al-Watia Air Base, and the number of vehicles was around 1,000. This number might be a little exaggerated, viewers, but whatever the number is, this withdrawal from Al-Watia, it occurred under the nose, I would say, of GNA, but GNA did not target these retreating soldiers and their military equipment. Same is the case here, we were in Tripoli. Now when fighters of LNA are retreating from Tripoli, no hitting by GNA forces, viewers. So either it is a sort of understanding, or Haftar forces, they have weakened and they have now decided to withdraw to those areas where they can regroup, reorganize, and from these areas they would launch a new offensive. These areas include Zintan, Bani Walid, and Tarhona. So in the coming days, we'll see, viewers, how the residents, the locals, the tribes of these areas respond, especially Zintan and Tarhona. Do they remain aligned with LNA or the change sides? That we'll see in the coming days. And which fronts LNA is going to retreat from Tripoli, that we also see in the coming hours, viewers. Thanks for watching.